welcome to another video of UG Action. So hope you all are fine, and today is a video where we explore an application which is a package of live transcribe. So what are you waiting for? Let's head over to camera, and then we have an option more, and then we go to Bixby Vision. Let me just highlight that application, which is Bixby Vision, which is also an default application in Samsung phone. I have Samsung A71, and in this phone I got it as a built-in feature. So let's just go to Bixby Vision, and now I have multiple options over here. And now I will explore all these options. So let's start. So very first is translation. If we go to the translation button, it will start translating, and I have this chocolate pack with me, and I have to just translate something. So it says extra chocolate and cocoa, minimum chocolate, cocoa paste, skim cocoa, and other than everything, it will translate whatever you want to get. May contain nuts, milk, soya beans, and etc. So when we have to copy that text, we can also copy it just clicking this copy all, right? Next is text. We have to copy some text. So what it will do, it will capture the image, and now we can copy any of the text, right? I select all the text, so it will copy all. Now if we go to next button, which is discover, so let's find this image if it find anywhere. So now if we got this, and then it get you this chocolate, which is very yummy and dark. I like it very much. So now back to the another thing, which is image.
Analyzing
Next feature
scene.
is analyzing scene.
Analyzing scene. Text.
So it says that the chocolate pack has a text. Now let's go to another image.
Capture a scene to hear a detailed description of it.
Want to capture a scene and find the description. Now we have to capture it.
Analyzing scene. Text. Letter.
So it says that image contain text and letter. So this is a feature where you can analyze what type of image you have and what type of scene it contains. So let me just try
Capture a scene to hear a detailed description of it.
thing, which is this.
Analyzing scene. A person in a white robe.
Yeah, a person in a white robe or a chef. So let's go to another feature, which is speak or search the object and tell. Like this laptop, it will say
Laptop.
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 Yeah.
Laptop.
If we put
Laptop.
over here a bottle, so it will say a water bottle, maybe a water bottle.
Bottle drink.
So it
Bottle
says
drink.
bottle drink, right? So if
Bottle
we
drink.
go to this, what it will say?
Backpack.
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 And then this
Towel.
is the last.
Towel.
And it says towel.
Towel.
Right? So
Towel.
if we go to there, it says keyboard.
Keyboard.
Yeah.
Keyboard.
So now
Keyboard.
moving to another feature, which is text to read, and now I want to read the text of my channel. So let's go to my channel and just want to read this. So now going to it, and let's start.
SML's UK Uktekians 333 subscribers TECHIANS home description videos Ukteki. We provide ease. Keep supporting us by subscribing and liking and sharing playlist. You can find Python, Kotlin, Swift and HTML.
So in this manner, it will read all the text, whatever you capture from the screen. And the next and the last one, but not the least, is color detector. So let's just go to the color detector and detect the colors.
Dark yellow.
What it says?
Mouse grey. Dark yellow. Cyan. Dark yellow. Mouse grey. Dark bluish green. silver, dark blue, black, red, black, dark gray, black,
So let's just
Black.
capture it.
dark blue, cyan,
So these are
Purplish.
the options which contain inside the Bixby Vision application that is free of cost from Samsung by default. So if you want to have any of this feature in your app in your phone, you just want to just have this application which is Bixby Vision without having the ads and other things. You can easily translate anything from nearest bus stop or from a shop or other thing. If you have any pronunciation issues or you can't read good, so you can read the things. Also you can find the object and ask the object via a Bixby Vision, and it's very improved version of Bixby, and I'm liking it because it's a good application. And it's also an option over here in our phones, which is live scribe. And what we can do is, from this feature we can do what we have to type, we can speak and type. So let's try a trick, and you have to follow it, right? So do not forget to subscribe UK Techians. So if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button, and hit the like button. Also share this interesting video with your friends, and do not forget to mention your friend in the comment section and provide us feedback about this video under the comment section. We will also try to put the link of this application under the description box. And that's it from now. Okay, just go back. If you have any other application you want to review and you don't have you can't use it properly, you can mention that application under the comment section, and I promise I will review that application and give you a good feedback of that application, and also bring all the features I got in other application as well. So hit the like button and subscribe now. Bye bye.